Did you know that TRX suspension training can boost your cardio fitness by up to 30% in just 8 weeks? Watch how Olivia transformed her athletic performance. At her local gym, Olivia discovered TRX's unique bodyweight-based system, designed by Navy SEALs for full-body workouts anywhere. The adjustable straps allow for hundreds of exercises, targeting multiple muscle groups while continuously engaging your core. Through consistent training, Olivia's heart rate now maintains optimal zones longer during intense workouts, significantly improving her endurance for competitive sports. The secret lies in TRX's instability factor. Every movement requires stabilization, forcing your cardiovascular system to work harder while building strength. Studies show that TRX exercises activate more muscle fibers compared to traditional gym equipment, leading to greater calorie burn and improved heart health. Want to revolutionize your fitness routine? Drop a comment below with your biggest training challenge, and let's explore how TRX could work for you.